now I will tell you how to insert the video clip or audio clip in the Word file. So now I have opened the Word file. So I'm clicking insert, movie from file. You can click on movie from file, choose, so that this movie file we can insert in the Word. If you double click, it will run. You can stop here or you can work in this file. So if you want to delete, you can simply press the delete button. So you can insert the audio file also. First, for that, insert audio from choose. You can drag it or double click so that it can be used in the Word.